Hello, Kalpesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I think we should start.
Yes, ma'am. Let's start.
Okay. What is the value of angular speed for one revolution?
Can you repeat the question?
What is the value of angular speed for one revolution?
नहीं आ रहा मुझे से।
Okay, no problem. What is the direction of centripetal force when particle is following a circular path?
Comes towards the center.
Okay, fine. Uh,
ना वाइवा तो प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन का था, आप तो सर्कुलर मोशन का पूछ रही हो।
ये क्लास 11th है ना?
यस मैम।
तो वहां तो मोशन इन अ प्लेन लिखा हुआ है।
मैम वो तो प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन है।
पर मुझे कैसे पता होगा? वहां तो मोशन इन अ प्लेन लिखा है ना।
मैम मैंने सुमित सर से पूछा था, उन्होंने प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन बोला मेरे को।
और तुमने ग्रुप पे क्या पढ़ा?
मैम मोशन इन अ प्लेन पढ़ा था, फिर मैंने सर से पूछा है कौन सा चैप्टर है, तो उन्होंने प्रोजेक्टाइल बोला मेरे से।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो मैं प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन का ही पूछ लेती हूँ। ओके, 1 second. What is the charge in momentum between the initial and final point of the projectile path if the range is maximum?
हम कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट?
Okay. What is the change in momentum between the initial and final point of the projectile path if the range is maximum?
हम जीरो।
नहीं। It's okay, Kalpesh. I'll tell you the answer later. Let's move further, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mhm. Name a quantity which remains unchanged during the flight of an oblique projectile.
Ma'am, horizontal velocity.
Okay, good. Mm, fine. Name five physical quantities which change during the motion of an oblique projectile.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Name five physical quantities which change during the motion of an oblique projectile.
Ma'am, vertical velocity.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, distance.
No, there is no distance in this.
Ma'am, height.
Mm, Potential energy, so we can say like that.
Yes, ma'am, potential energy.
Hmm.
Mm, kinetic energy.
Mm-hmm. And the last one is momentum
Momentum.
and yes,
Momentum.
yes. And one more.
Um, ma'am, overall velocity also changes.
Yes, overall velocity, right. Okay, a projectile of mass is fired with velocity at an angle with the horizontal. Which is the what is the change in momentum as it rises to highest point of the trajectory?
Ma'am, please repeat once more.
Okay, a projectile of mass is fired with velocity at an angle with the horizontal. Okay, what is the change in momentum as it rises to the highest point of the trajectory?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I can answer in terms of mg and theta.
You can.
Ma'am, mv cos theta minus mv. V is the velocity.
Once more, can you repeat once again?
mv cos theta minus mv.
Here it is written mv sine theta. That's it. And if in terms of g, it is mg into v sine theta upon g. Basically, g cancelled, so m v sine theta. I'll give the solution of this too, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the path followed by a javelin projected horizontally by an athlete?
Ma'am, please repeat what I have
What
to tell.
what is the path followed
Ma'am,
by a
para,
javelin? Hello?
parabolic.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, fine. Why does a tennis ball bounce higher on hills than in plains?
Ma'am, because on hills there are two components of gravity.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. But you should explain more. Give two applications and two examples of projectile motion.
Ma'am, two examples of projectile motion
Mhm.
are javelin throw,
Okay,
bullet fired at some angle with an horizontal. So the
okay,
path of bullet will be a projectile.
okay. These are two examples, right?
Yes, ma'am. And applications are if we throw something at an angle of 45-degree with horizontal, so the distance will be maximum.
Fine. Okay. Uh, what are the possible angles of projection with same velocity to have same range?
Ma'am, please repeat.
What are the possible angles of projection with same velocity to have same range?
Okay, 2 minutes. I'm at 45-degree,
Okay, then
uh, at 90-degree.
the answer is theta, any angle, and 90 minus theta are the two values of projection angle at which range is same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. When will the relative velocity of two moving objects be zero? Should I repeat?
I mean projectile motion.
When the two bodies are moving with equal velocities, same speed in same direction, then it is possible.
Yes, ma'am. मेरा भी यही आंसर था, पूछा था प्रोजेक्टाइल
Okay, okay,
मोशन
ma. Okay, okay,
के
fine.
कंटेक्स्ट में.
ठीक है कल्पेश, you can leave.